69. Let's go. Ooh. We're here. We're at the exit. It's over there. We gotta go that way more. Here with the guys. All the drone stuff right here. Look at that. Try to pump gas just in case we got more. We need more. God damn, it's bright in here. No receipt. All right, guys. You can tell we got the mic going, so audio's way better. We got the McDonald's.
Take out my shoes.
Oh shit, sorry dude. See, no back seats. I gotta get seats now. For the homie. Woo! We're out here. All right, guys, we are out here. See, there's a canine back there with the little buggy. Out here at the Mirage dry lake bed. Kind of hot, but pretty good weather so far for 8 in the morning. We're out here with you guys. We'll keep it around 25. Already got drones in the air. You see it's right there, flying. But we're trying to get the tire pressure low real quick before anything, and before we head out, start filming. It's a lovely day today, though. We're trying to take our time, but at the same time, be consistent and just have a good fucking time out here, guys. Very excited for what's gonna happen and what we're gonna capture and see what goes on, man, because we got some good peeps out here. All right. So while that's happening, come over here and you look at right here and just watch your tire pressure go down. We're going to be between 25, well, I'll try to do 25, but 26, 27 is a good spot. So now we watch this guy. This guy's going to drop down to 29 soon. Usually you want to be like 20, 19 for like heavy duty stuff, but since it's a light day, we're just filming. I think 25 to 26, 27 should be okay. About a few seconds I should stop it because it's going to reach 25 soon. So just do this and then push back in, tighten it until it stops. Now push this forward. That's forward now, and then I'll loosen it from here. You have to hold it 1 second. You have to hold this while you spin it. And no, this does not work. I don't think it does. How you guys doing? He's going?
Yeah, Rama. Sponsored.
One of the drones we got. It's the flyer. I guess there's an airport here at Mirage. The airplane all the way over there, you can barely see him. But the drone's out here. And then you got this guy over here flying too. That's crazy.
We're scouting.
We out here.
Before you film, you gotta scout and know what you're gonna film before you film.
Yup. Look at your surroundings. Look what's good out here. It's this one right here. Coming up.
And I only have like 2 batteries for this one and 2 batteries for the other one. So
Wish us luck.
I think we'll be fine.
You okay?
What is that?
Traction, my friend. We don't need it.
Fine.
No, that was fine.
What about that one right there?
That one I probably had to go between it. That or just go on the next one, on the side. What up?
We're scouting once again. We're scouting.
Checking out the spots. Truck made it though. Freaking hot. So guys, we are out here, El Mirage tri-lake bed. As you can see behind us is a lake bed, flat as it can be. We got some mountains around us too. Let me put the mic back up here. And yeah, we're just chilling, trying to get some video going. As you can see, the guys are doing their thing. Now the truck looking amazing back there. Beautiful little truck. Beautiful truck, not little, but beautiful big ass truck. It's actually doing good. It's rubbing a lot, I'll tell you that much. I'll show you where it's rubbing. So it's rubbing, as you can see right there, this shadow here, that's where it's rubbing. Surprisingly, it's not making contact with the fender completely. So that's a plus for me. I guess LTW, they did a good job. It worked, so that's good. But here, by the front fenders, look at that. All this is black. So it's definitely rubbing here when it compresses. The suspension compresses. So we're gonna have to trim this here. But that's just minor trimming, dude. That's nothing. I was expecting to either blow this fender off. It's actually not that hot, so it's good weather, good breeze going. We're just gonna keep filming.
And then like
We're gonna head down some of these trails you guys see here and see what we got. We do some high-speed stuff. We did a little hill climb here, but yeah, see what's next. So we just tried doing FPV filming with the drone. How'd it go, Ricky?
being in the car and moving and with the goggles on, it just got me super dizzy. So I'm gonna just not be in the car and just
See how it goes.
film from the distance and see how it goes.
Yeah.
Because it got me, like I was about to throw up, like this way.
I would have thrown up on the spot.
Yeah, so I was like, chill. Hold on, let me just sit outside. Let me just leave this right here.
Yep, do you think? Yeah, well, we're gonna be going up and down this road right here. Get some fast rolling shots and see how it goes.
I think that will fuck me up a little bit.
Coming this way.
I don't even hit all the bumps.
Yeah. I didn't know what the fuck was going on.
We're hitting the bumps really good and like fast and like 20-40 miles per hour. And dude, this guy had his goggles on. Couldn't see shit. Don't know what's happening. Don't know what's hitting him. Just bumps everywhere. That's pretty hilarious. But yeah, not a good idea.
Guys.
Not to us. It was fun.
I'm like, whoa! I try to control
But
it.
to this guy, it was probably a little bit traumatizing. Yeah.
At least I learned my lesson.
Hey, but now we know. Fuck that. Do it, Ricky, do it. He just pops his finger out. Oh, it's going down.
No, you're good. I'm pushing the shit out of this shit.
That's good. That's good. That's what we like to hear.
Okay. Now. Looking at it, I saw it. I think I got it. I'm gonna just say that, but I think I got it.
I think he got it. I think he got the shots.
The last 10 seconds that like really, because I was like really
we're going,
close to your
yeah,
car,
when
like,
we're going
dude,
faster,
yeah.
right? Yeah.
So-
I think that's when we
Fuck the little one.
I'm sure we got it. You look like you knew you were doing so. Yeah, it's cool. You almost hit my truck a couple times, but fuck it, right? No, guys, but you can tell the truck's completely dirty. And yeah, little mini one.
I'm scared to fucking break these. Why? Because I don't got that much money to fucking break these. Well, we have a way.
We have a
Wait.
We just can't say on camera. Homie Vortex can't say it.
I don't know, man.
Say it.
Homie Robert works shipping, bro.
Oh, he does?
Shipping and receiving, man. It's the hookup. There, we're not flying that one today. Kiss goodbye. I mean, kiss good luck.
Okay, like, yeah, this one's a real baby. I just got this yesterday, and it's a custom FPV drone that could possibly be my next favorite drone.
Looks cool.
I'm just not confident because I need to like upgrade and download the hardware.
Mess with it.
Yeah, I gotta mess with it now.
Said it. Said it.
Let's do this.
Oh yeah, that's way too good. That was way too good.
I told you.
Again?
Let's see how it looks.
Just stop right
That
here.
was crazy, bro. That just swung harder than ever, bro.
Full angle.
That was a lot better. I feel like that's nerve wracking. There you go.
There you go.
Thank you. Alrighty, guys. So we are finally done today. We're gonna go ahead and just fill up all the tires. I don't know why my truck keeps beeping, but let's talk. It's annoying. But yeah, just gotta fill these up and head back home. It's freaking hot. We're tired. Pretty sure we're hungry too, so we want to get out of here and go make the most of today at home and see what we made, man, because today was super successful thanks to this guy, everybody who came. Such a good time. What do you think? Today was good? Good day?
Today was a good day. Tell them what happened to me, and tell them what I did, and tell them what happened.
So
Once
today,
again,
we
we got here, got motion sickness, I got motion sickness, headache, and then I felt like I had to throw up. I actually threw up. I made myself throw up so I could feel better. I actually threw up, and then I was flying my drone again. Something happened to the fucking propellers, went straight down, broke my drone. It is what it is. And then right after that, I was like, fuck that. I'm gonna get a shot. I'm gonna make this trip worth it. I'm not gonna waste these guys' time. So I got my other drone, started chasing them, actually got the shots, and I actually felt better, actually, like right after throwing up. So, remember kids, if you feel like throwing up, sometimes it's better to throw up so you can feel better. All right, that's my story. Thank you for homeboy over here for a nice ass truck, for letting me film it, and hopefully you guys can enjoy this video.
yeah,
Cool?
hell yeah, many more.
Yeah, hell yeah. Peace. I don't know what you're gonna end it with, but later with me.
Want to say anything, Vortex? All right, it's all good. All right.
Get the camera off my face.
This guy's shy. This guy's too famous, so it's all good. But we're almost done here, and we'll get out of here, guys. Love this mic, though. This mic's dope.